Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be making a ban and kick command. So we can just create a new command. Else, if a command is equal to ban, first of all, we need to check the user's permission. So if message.member.hat.permissions, .has, we can say band members, then we can return message.channel.send. You do not have permission to execute this command. Alright, now we're done with that. So our next thing we can do is if we can actually do a const target is equal to message.mentions.members. Wait, let me check something. Okay, members dot first. There, you're done. So now you can say if the target dot id is equal to the message dot member dot id, you can return message dot channel dot send. Bro, you can't ban yourself. You have to use double quotes, but you can also use single quotes for this. See, some basic JavaScript, you can say, bruh, you can't. You can put this. I think that's how it works. I'm really stupid. Never mind, bro. You can't ban yourself. If target dot banable, then we can. Oh yeah, excuse me. Then we can return message.channel.send. I cannot ban this member. Oh yeah, forgot something else to do. If target, if there's no target specified, then we have to return message.channel.send. Please specify a target. So if they do not specify target and just do the command ban, then it will just only show the target. Then we can do target dot ban. We can save this, restart. Okay, I mean not restart, just do the thing. Oh yeah, one thing I forgot to add: sending our ban message. Okay, alright, okay. Sorry, you're gonna get banned. I'm just gonna move my friend down. Bit rolls, just a test. He's now my test subject. Sensei, that's not me. My friend is just trying to impersonate me. You do not have permission. What the heck? If message.member.permissions.has banned members, you do not have permission to execute the command. That's really weird. I am literally the server owner. You know what? Let's change this to administrator. Administrator. Oh my god. Oh, that's why. I forgot to put the exclamation mark. There we go. Sorry about that. Why ban sensei goose ban the user? He's banned now. If you go into our server settings, go to our bans. There he is. We banned the user, and now we're done. But now, when you want to make a kick command, do you know? You know what I'm gonna do? Let me show you how simple this is. Copy paste, and there's a problem. Oh, maybe on another line. Then here, I'm stupid. Hang on. Yep. Then we can just do an else if again. Else if command is equal to a kick. We can now copy paste all of this code. Then all we have to do to change this to kick members. Yep, bro, you can't kick yourself. Kick yourself. I cannot kick this member. Forgot to do those. Kicked the user. Can change this from target. Oh boy, target dot bannable to target dot kickable. And instead of this, we can change it to kick. There we go. Now we're done. No, my goodness. Sorry. No dot. Let's kick that guy. Or actually, you know what? Let's just kick Thunder Overseer. One of my old bots, I discontinued him. I cannot kick this member. Let me move him down and change his permissions, which is probably administrator right now. Alright. Can do this again. What? I literally specified a target though. Kick Thunder Overseer. I cannot kick this member. Alright, let's do someone else though. We can do Werewolf Tamer. Why kick Werewolf Tamer? Kick the user. See, it worked. Yeah, so we kicked him. We can check our audit logs. Let me do that for a second. We can now check it. Tutorial Goose has kicked Werewolf Tamer 12. And yep, there you go. Alright, now I'm done for this video. Thank you for watching.